Butterfly.
What else?
A banana bear. What's it up there, Mum?
I think it's a mouse, isn't it?
Mouse.
Is it just watching?
Here.
What's it watching?
Hello.
You give it a kiss, Finley? Oh, that's lovely. Big cuddles.
Big cuddle.
Do you like your cuddles, Isla?
Go. The big cuddle. Here has a dolly. There's a dolly here.
Bless you.
Has a big toy. With the hand.
She's talking to you, Finley.
Yeah.
Oh, careful.
Careful. There we go. Dolly. Hold the hand. Hold the Dolly's hand.
Oh, that's right. You hold the hand. Did Dolly get a name, Finley?
Yeah.
What's its name?
It's called Dolly. Dolly Bug.
Dolly.
A bug.
Dolly Bird.
Yeah.
Is she a Dolly Bird? Alright, say bye-bye.
Huh?
Say bye-bye to the camera.
Bye-bye, Grandma.
Bye-bye, Daddy.
Bye-bye, Daddy.
See you tonight.
Huh?
See you tonight.
Dad
Where's Daddy just now, Finley?
is in work
How did he get to work?
and bus.
In the bus?